bees will protect themselves
Pretty much.
somewhat.
Yeah, people thief them, but a beekeeper alone thief bees.
Oh.
For the obvious reasons, right?
Oh, yes. For
It
real.
makes sense because they know what to do.
Exactly. So, start out with five colonies. As met my bike from the extension officer, rather.
Oh, so you bought your first 5 colonies?
Right.
Okay.
I catch a few here and there over time. This is yours. And then kept going, and then we dropped right off to about 12 when I time I had some work on the house. Never have enough time. And them need a little attention here and there. They don't take care of themselves largely, but they need some attention and drop off and then try and build back. I know I can't reach 50 though. It just, for some reason, seemed to elude me. Yeah, that number there. But me might do though, I get a good yield every year.
I just went where the bees are and I wonder, were you ever afraid of bees or you see them and you feel comfortable? Because all them
This is why I put on 6 gloves, 3
6
bandages.
Oh my gosh, make sure you don't get sting.
Well, the truth is, this one, it kind of tear up. So I have to put on some other one to protect my finger.
So how you deal with the stings though? When
Say ouch. I love it.
You say out.
You see?
ouch.
Yeah.
For real.
Yeah. You're used to it, but you still not enjoy it.
But you mentioned that okay, you would do because where people wouldn't just easily take away. But is there any other reason that you went into actually?
Well, after the fact, but these things you wouldn't know when you just select the
type of business you want to
right, the path, the tech. But me just not so boy to the heart for people just come and pick up your bees and go.
Yeah.
But it lucrative, you know, it won't look away. It's not the margin not as thin as other areas, especially in agriculture. For example, chicken farming. I never know say like must say 3 or 4% you can make it. Raise a thin virgin.
Oh, wait. In the chicken, 3 or 4%?
Yeah, only
Profit.
money, man. You can't make money.
Oh.
Okay. That's why people have to do it in a large amount.
Yeah,
to make a good profit.
Oh.
But with these, you can eat off food. After you set up, of course, because setup costs
Yeah.
as with anything.
Yeah.
So,
a little bit.
what I wanted to ask you, do you enjoy being an entrepreneur versus working at the bauxite company that you were at?
You only have aspects to everything, don't you? So, me enjoy working there because you have all your friendly man thing, you go in and out. But then when you do your own thing, well, now that me think about it, me never make as much money. Well, me never make as much money now with the bees. Because you see the house kind of starved, you know what I mean? But you still eat our food and then have a nice job to supplement all of that. But I don't know, I wouldn't want to choose between either of them. But I like the beekeeping thing.
Yeah.
So this is plastic?
Plastic with a wooden frame.
Oh.
The foundation is the frame.
Yeah.
Yeah. You notice the little web looking thing there? An insect called the wax mat at each time.
Oh.
Moth.
Yeah.
That mat. So let's keep the insects so the wax mat just clean out. Everything is below time.
Yeah.
Thoroughly clean. try and guesstimate the weight of it. Until you lift it up without a grimace, you know, say it's empty.
Okay.
Yeah, if you feel like it nailed down, then you have the liquid gold in it.
Yeah.
Did some last year, late last year before the season started. So some of them not really recover. Feel like the maize. This is what I like nevertheless. I just want to see if they might do well.
Oh.
Okay. It's not bad, but not really having enough share with me. Alright, let me just. If them assault you can probably just pull over. Yeah.
Alright, man. Oh, that's what you mean. You don't put over the nozzle. Oh.
Because it kind of restrict the smoke. I'm busy, but if you notice, we'll ease out one or two. You can see the top of the edges out. It's supposed to be capped, and the cells them still open.
Okay.
See, so that means that them not really ready. They might work, but nothing for me yet. That makes sense before it. I check the other one. Sometimes you have honey wall to wall in it. Like wall.
Okay, so once it's full, once you can see the honey at the top, then you know that you can harvest it.
Right, once it's capped. If you notice, like these right here,
It's empty.
it's capped. No, it's covered. While some of the cells open.
Oh.
You see it?
Yeah.
Right. So once it's capped, you know, so it's full. And ready. Sometimes it's full, but not yet capped. Because they're supposed to dehydrate. They're supposed to thicken it and make it that consistency the way honey have. Instead of water, because them get it from the flowers, water in, and then dry it out. Same thing here. Let me just check the weight. The theory goes that when them smell the smoke, them go deeper into the hive.
Yeah.
And pack up them wares.
Oh.
So basically, them suck up honey and probably get ready to evacuate.
Yeah.
But no. I really see them do that. That's what I'm saying. What do I know? Okay, alright, so we'll look at this one. You notice the cells covered, capped.
Oh.
Right. So I'm going to pull this one out and I'm not too much. There's not a spot, but let me just secure this here. So far so good, and I really see them are rush now. there's a particular scent with them release whenever them sound the alarm. For lack of a better word.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can know so them angry. So once you smell that, if you're not well armored,
Oh, so you actually smell.
the anger.
Oh.
You see, at the pheromone them call it. You can know when them upset. I always smell it as when we did just start but never know what it was. But over the years it dawned upon me say, say
So what kind of smell it? If you
no,
can describe
well,
it.
I couldn't describe it now. It
It is it pungent?
could have be a simple way of saying it, yes, but it still wouldn't mean nothing to somebody else.
Oh.
Yeah, if them smell them wouldn't recognize it.
Yeah.
But it's distinct. You know really you know after I smell them now where it is.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright, so the next one looks good. It's not really thick, but it's capped. Sometimes the honey extends way off of the sides,
Yeah.
and that's when you what's a big smile. You know? So, this kind of thin, but still, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's see the other side. Let's see. The brood. You see? By the brood, I mean the eggs and so on.
Mm-hmm.
Tend to the center.
Oh.
Right, and then the honey just act as a insulator, keep them warm
Yeah.
from the outer frames. But let me see if that is the case. Yep. See if I can show you an example. Oh, yeah, camera resolution good.
Yeah.
So, right. So, all right. You see these right? Yes, sir, just below my thumb. That and honey. That and here too. Let me see if I can see these and these.
Oh, are the eggs?
No, it passes the egg stage. It starts to develop now. They call it the pupal stage. So I'm going to slow this.
Yeah.
I'm going to take this out. This, however, I'm going to take because I don't like how them build it and not attach the comb. See if you can come over the glass. You notice here. If you notice the comb not attached to the frame, so I'm going to take that out.
Okay.
In product check, well, it's something to consider. You notice them start to cap the cells, right?
Yeah.
Now that is a process, meaning it takes time. So if you see them start to cap, that means you can probably take the frame because it's ready.
Yeah.
You also can check by just shaking the frame. And when you see there is no liquid coming out,
Mm-hmm.
you know say it thick.
Oh.
So water you take out. And so the side them start cap out too.
Yeah. Oh, there's one ones that you put inside.
Probably need to go. more, but because
Yeah, you put the comb down
right.
the bottom, the breaker comb.
So, I'll get it done.